today we are going to be reviewing this product right here. It is a kitchen step stool, and it is by this brand right here. It's HARPPA, but let's go ahead and get right into this. I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward me installing this, like putting it together, and then I'll show you what it looks like in use. Okay, so this is what it looks like completed. It does have this little thing. Now, the instructions did not show how to put it together correctly, to be honest with you. I'll show you. It did come with 2 extra bolts, and then it came with the thing to put it together. But on this, it tells you to put these black pieces like this, but that's not how they go. It kind of gives you an indicator. So there's one that goes at the bottom and it goes sideways, but on this side, as you can see, this one goes sideways like that, and then up there it goes sideways like that. But it showed this actually going like right here, or it's on this side. So it showed this one. This is actually hiding it. Let's see. So it showed another one to go like directly in front of that one back there. But as you can see, this one's actually a little higher than that one on the other side. It also came with this chalkboard, and you can flip it around. You can write on this side, or you can flip it around. It's hard to do it with one hand. So it slides into there, or you can flip it around and put it this way. Little things right there. But on the picture, it shows they have one right here, and down there, and it doesn't show to have this, which I way prefer to have it this way. Now, personally, I would have the kids crawl in through this side, and you can adjust the stool depending on how tall your kid is. You can put it on this one, or this one if they're shorter. My kid is 5, he just turned 5, so I'm gonna keep it on this one. It also comes with this magnetic little thing to put on this, so you can see. And then to hold this thing on right here, as you can see, it does have these little clips. So you can just unclip it and let them in this way, because that's what it's like technically intended for. It has this step and then that step. So you just do that and then reclip it. Push it through here and then reclip it. Let me do that real quick. And then for this board right here, it is like a board that you can put to not fall. And it has this little clip right here that you can unclip, you can see, to take it off so that you can slide it. It can slide in and out. So you can take one of those clips off and then slide it out and slide it back in if you want to do that. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.